So, welcome to part 5 of Building a Brand. This is the part where we have found our product, we have found our ICP, we have built the website, we have done the graphic profile, we have done everything, we have done the ads, we have launched the ads, and now we have had the ads running for 3 days, and we will follow up and validate, is this a winner, is it not a winner, do we have a brand, or do we not have a brand? Let's check it out. So we are jumping into the analytics of our store. We will start here, I think. We built this brand Fuzzy Aqua, and you had to bear with me today a little bit. I'm having some cold, so try to drink water, try to drink some hot fluid to get rid of it, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's allergic or something. But back to the topic. Here we have our brand Fuzzy Aqua. And I also hope you got a lot of value from this. We have 4 parts out now where you can see the way from starting with nothing to building the brand. And even if this brand didn't do well, I think it's a lot of value in those videos. So we are now in our ads manager in Facebook. And we started the campaign the 14th of August, so let's see that one. So the first day, we had it on $100 for each day. So the first day we spent $74. We got a CPC of $1.9. I would do all in dollars, it's much easier. In my ad account, it's in Swedish kroner because I'm in Sweden, but I will translate it to you. The CTR was 2.81, so that was good. CPM, $55, a little bit high. And we got no add to cart, no initial checkout, and no purchase. So if you see the numbers here, you see that our video ads got most spend, but they also got a really high CPC. So that was not likable at all. But we had some here, but it's only spent like $0.2, so it wasn't so good. But the thing I was looking for, we spent $75 and we got no add to carts, and that is not a good sign, of course, for the first day. So what I did for the second day, actually, I lowered the price a little bit because we had a high price to see if it could get some more traction. And if we go into the next day, still we had high CPC on the video ads. The click-through rate is good, but the problem is the CPM was really high on the video ads if you compare them to the image ads, and that's normal, but we were paying a lot to get customer into the site. So let's see the 15th, the next day. We made 0 sales again, and 0 added to cart, and 0 reached the checkout. So actually, what I did for day 3 was that I turned off the video ads because they had too high CPM and too high CPC. So we were that means that we are paying too much to get the customer into our site. CPM is how much we pay for Meta to show the ad for 1,000 people, and CPC is what we pay per click. So that's what I look at the most before I get any sales or any traction. The third day we got 2 add to carts, so that was good. So the image ads were working a little bit better than the video ads. Also the CPM was a little bit lower. The CTR is still good, and CTR is click-through rate. So that's how big a percentage of people are clicking on this 1,000 views that we get from Meta for the CPM. So you want a high CTR. I like it over 2%, and CPM you want low, of course. and the CPC is the cost per click, and I want that under $1. We don't have it under $1 on any ads, unfortunately. So let's see our 3-day test. We got no sales, 3 re-checkout, 4 added to cart. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that unfortunately this test of building this brand didn't go as well as we thought. We did a good research, we did everything, but that shows that, of course, not every product will be a success. Actually, when I started testing, I found my first winner after my 28th product and my second winner after my 57 product. Now I have done this for a while, of course, so now I have like 1 in 5, sometimes 1 in 3 when I do a little bit easier products. Maybe this was also a hard product. It was a little bit more expensive. We also went for a harder market. That's UK. UK and US is, of course, the hardest markets. But yeah, I thought it would work. It didn't work. And on this channel, we're not gonna gatekeep anything. We're not gonna do any fake numbers. So this is the result. Not so fun, but it is what it is. And so my conclusion of this is that I will turn this brand down, and I will do another test with another product, and I will, of course, show you that too. I will also, I have recorded a 72-hour dropshipping challenge that I will release in a few days, so check that out, or if it released before this video, I don't know, but check it out. But this was building a brand. I think you have got a lot of value from the other videos, and of this also how you read your statistics in your ads. And yeah, let's see you in the next video.